Hello, my name is Michael and I work at the Quilting Bee, and I wanted to show everybody our new class calendar and the online signups and just show you around because we're super excited about it. It's going to be super easy to sign up for classes, get your supply list. You don't have to call and you don't have to visit the store anymore. You can just do it from the comfort of your own home and look at all new pictures and view details, dates. It's going to be awesome. So first off, we're going to just go to our calendar page right here by clicking on our home page. And we're going to scroll down, and here you can see our new calendar. So first, just to get to new classes, I'm going to go right here to switch to April. And here you can see all of our new classes in a helpful calendar format. Nice big pictures that you can click on and view bigger, and times, and obviously the titles. So if you were to look for any class in particular, you could use the search bar right here, search for any class you want, and you can also see we all have little tags that go along with every single class. So if we were looking for just, for example, bag classes, if that's something you're interested in, you could click that. Apply. You can just see all of the bag classes that we have going on. So if you were to want to sign up for a class, you could just click on any of these. So let's say you do want to do the like Baby Block class right here, Baby Block Brother Upper Level Guide class. And just click that and go into this. They click here to sign up, click here to view supply listing prep work. So also say up here, sign up online, and then right here is a link to that supply list. Wow. And now I just have that downloaded. I can view that and get everything ready for your class. So you can hit sign up online here or down here. Both ways work. Click that. And you'll be brought to this site to book the class. So you'll see for this it's $0 for this Baby Block Brother Upper Level Guide class. That is because if you bought our machine here, it is free. Those are included with the purchase of your machine is the guide classes associated with your machine. If you did buy your machine elsewhere and you're just wanting to take our class to learn about it, it'll be $25 per hour and that'll be charged at your arrival. So if we were to go back to this, we'll look around a little bit more so you know everything about it. We'll go up to the top here. Just a few more helpful things. Again, if you wanted to switch months, you could just hit this button right here. If you wanted to view it in different ways, if you didn't want to look at it as the calendar view, you could go to the agenda view, which is just kind of in a list format, if that's how you like looking at things. There's also Pinboard, which is more just kind of filling in all the space, so you can just kind of scroll through events and stuff like that. So I'm going to quickly switch over to show you what it might look like on a phone and help you out there. Okay, so I've navigated to our calendar page again on my phone. So you can just scroll down here and you'll see it is this view by default. So that way you can see all the pictures nice and big. Super easy to just scroll through. And we'll just switch again to April by clicking that button. And you'll see our open house is coming up, so that's very fun. We'll just scroll down to the first class. So this is the Get Out of Town Duffel. You'll see a button here that says sign up online, so I can just click that directly and it'll bring me to this booking site. And I'll just quickly go through this just so everybody understands how that works. It's pretty simple. Just click book now. In this case, I'll just put in my phone number, name, email address, my card number, and there's also the ability to use Apple Pay and Google Pay if that's what you want. A little information about our cancellation policy, and then we'll also be sending automated text notifications a little bit beforehand to remind you of the class and ask any questions that might be important to it. So yeah, that's how the class signups work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find something that you enjoy taking.